So, what's up, guys? Taking a look at the British pound and the Swiss franc. Now, we have been on this bullish uptrend here since January to April, and now we are kind of stuck in this consolidation sideways pattern. But we are here finding support at around the 100 EMA and at this support line here, which means if we give us some more space, we are trading. We have a support rectangle, or support rectangle is around here, which means obviously our first target would be the 1.2, almost 1.28 area, which means after that we could target the previous highs or even break above them. So we are seeing some kind of triangle being formed here, at least in the last couple of days, which means, and as you can see here, the 100 EMA, the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA are all getting smaller and smaller and getting closer to each other, which means eventually we will see a movement to one side, either up or down, but for now it looks like we might rally and go higher from here. Now, one reason might be we are pretty low here when it comes to the stochastic, which means we have plenty of room left to the upside. The RSI is somewhere in the middle, which means we could go higher here as well. Now, if we add the CCI, you can see here we are currently going from the minus levels to inside the box, which means we could see here this turnaround and go all the way up, which is actually perfect fit. On top of that, we had here 3 retests of our, let me change the color here, of the support line, which would be this one here. And number 3 is always a good number when it comes to Forex, maybe trading in general, which means we had here the breakout and now we kind of retested this area 3 times. Of course, it depends which area you take. We might consider this one to be a 4th, or this one to be the 3rd, and this one be the 4th. We could also consider this to be 1, but it doesn't really matter that much at this point. However, we are seeing that we have retested this support area, and currently the 100-day EMA is getting alongside this support area here. On top of that, the stochastic as well as the CCI are coming from outside both boxes from the lower parts, and we have plenty of rooms to the upside. Now the MACD here as well is coming from underground, which also might be an indicator that we might rally from here. On top of that, if we look at let's go back at the RSI, we have been here forming this downtrend consistently. If we take this one here even more obviously, we have been on this down move, and we have been here on this down move ever since, which means, but here we have been on this up move, which means this could also be a divergence to the upside. At the same time, we had here the lowest point, which would be here, this area, and we went lower from here as well, while at the same time here never coming lower than this point, which means this was the lowest point, and we have been consistently finding support here, which might also be indicated that we might go much higher from here. So this is why I would personally be a buyer of this market right now. And what is this GBP? So maybe we will find some better confirmation in 1 or 2 more days, but just in case, this could be a trade to take. Of course, you can target the previous highs, maybe make your stop loss a little bit smaller. You would probably have like a 1-1 risk reward, which is basically a 50-50 chance. Maybe not that bad, maybe not that good either. It also, of course, depends where your entry is and your stop loss. So maybe you should wait and see a better confirmation or a better entry. But all in all, this is the trade.